Welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct the Autodesk Inventor practice drawing tutorial. So in this tutorial we will learn how to construct a 3D CAD part in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Select the XY plane. So this will be the front plane. Here go to slot command and we will select center point slot. So first we will click on the center point, make one slot here and make one more slot here. Okay, now here go to equal constraint, select the center line of slot and select the center line. So these slots will be equal to each other. Now select this radius and select this radius. Okay, now we will give the dimensions. Go to dimension. Here select the outer profile and select this outer profile. So this will be of 70 mm. Okay, zoom out and here the radius we will define now. For radius, give the width of 50 mm. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this center point. So let's select this point and select this point. Now escape. Now here we have a movement and this also have a movement. So go to dimension, select this edge, select this center point. Here we will define the dimension as 25 mm. Similarly here define this distance as 25 mm. Okay. Now go to offset and select this complete profile. Drag the cursor inside and give a dimension of 10 mm. Okay. Similarly here, select this, drag the cursor inside and give dimension 10. Now escape. So they are offset of 10 mm. Now go to line command and make a joining profile between these two. Select here, similarly, select here and here, select this green point. Now finish sketch and here take extrude, select this middle profile. Here give extrude of 20 mm. So this will be a single side extrude and press OK. Now go to extrude 1, select sketch 1, turn on the visibility. Go to extrude again, select this profile and select this profile. Here switch it to join and the extrude will be of 30 mm. This will be also a single direction extrude and press OK. Okay. Select the sketch 1 and turn off the visibility. Okay. Now here we are going to construct a new plane. So go to plane, take offset from plane, select this face. So this will be the reference face, so it will consider as 0 and here we'll give dimension minus 27 mm. So plane will be constructed at the back side, press OK. So it will be at a distance here. Okay, go to home. Now select this plane and go to create sketch. Take a circle command and make a circle here of diameter 45 mm. Okay, go to dimension, select this top edge and select the center point. Here give the dimension as 35 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Go to 3D model, take extrude and here we will not extrude this side. So we will flip the side to direction 2 and here give the distance as 60 mm. Press OK. Now select this plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. Now go to origin. Here we will select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Take the sketch. Now from here we will take line command and make a center line first. Okay, and make one point from this center and till this edge we will make this line. Okay, zoom in and escape. Select this line and make it a construction geometry. Okay, Now go to offset or take it fillet first. Take a fillet radius of 20 mm. Select this and select this. Now exit. Now here go to offset command. Take offset. Select this profile and we'll offset it outside at 20 mm. Okay. Select the line command. Make a joining profile here and one joining profile here. Okay. Finish sketch. Now here go to extrude. Take a symmetric extrude and here we will take a distance of extrude as 40 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So this will be a joining profile. Now press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and from the center point make a circle of diameter 30. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this 30 dia, flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here go to 3D model and from here we will change the appearance. So I'll take the appearance as blue wall paint. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a practice drawing model in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.